It's a new 2023 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. You need a truck that's as much of a workhorse as you are. This Tundra was built to meet life's toughest demands. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Twin-turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.